Hello students, good afternoon. This is Kiran sir and we are going to deal English grammar for 7th standard. Last two period also we discussed the English grammar and today also we discussing the next lesson. Object, complement, transitive and intransitive verbs. Was firstly in this period we discuss about the object and complements. Okay? In another periods we take the transitive and intransitive verbs also because object and complements regarding to having separate exercise and transitive and intransitive verbs having with a separate exercise. So that's why this is the need to discuss about the object and complement first. Okay, got it? So we're discussing only the object and complements here. What is meant by object? Object, a person or thing. Person or thing to whom or to which. Person or thing to whom or to which something is done. This is called a object. Now something is done is called a object. What is meant by that? So ऐसा एक कोई person है या चीज है सो उसकी वजह से वो सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो जाता है विच आर टू whom. Okay, now for that object when you making any kind of sentences, so that's why need yes plus v plus o, subject plus verb plus object. Okay, so many sentences not having the object, but here we're discussing about the object and this is the person or thing. And generally I want to put a one thing that object is a transitive or tangible or visible object. tangible और visible object जो हमें खुद से देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं. This is called a object. Okay, see here. They praise Pratap. They praise Pratap. If we do not write the Pratap, they praise. उन्होंने praise किया. पर whom किसको? So that's why whom Pratap. So here Pratap is the object. उन्होंने praise किया. They praise. To whom? So Pratap. So Pratap is the object here. Got it? The cow eats grass. The cow eats grass. What does the cow eat? Grass. So that's why grass is the object here. This is the thing and this is the person. Okay, this is the tangible and visible also. So that's why this is the object. Got it? Yes. Now we're discussing about the complements. So many persons using these complements because without the complements we do not deal with the sentences. See, complements means this is the word or word group follow verbs and related to subject and also it describes subjects are identified. It describes subject and identified also. So according to that, see here, they were busy. They were, वो तो है. They were, वो है. क्या? Busy. So that's why busy is a complement. See second example. C.V. Raman become a great scientist. What is the complements here? A great scientist. C.V. Raman became. C.V. Raman बन गया. क्या? So a great scientist. So that's why a great scientist is the complement. Now third example. This is Ria. This is Ria. This is वो है. क्या? Ria. So Ria is the complement. So that's why object when you discussing to whom or to which, this is the tangible and visible things. So that's why this is the object and without making any sentence without complements, we do not make the proper sentence. So that's why this is the complement. This is वो है क्या. So Ria. C.V. Raman became what? A great scientist is the complement. They were वो है क्या busy. So this type of sentences we call that this is the complements. Okay, got it? So this is the object and this is the complements. Okay, students. Now open your textbook, page number 23, exercise first. Find the object and complements in the following sentences. Some sentences contain two objects. Two objects भी वहां पर हो सकते हैं. See, so there are two blank spaces, first and second. So write there object for first and for second write the complements. Okay. Now we have to underline the words and identifying that complements or object. Now first, they cancel the match. Underline the match. The match object. Second, Divya has scored full marks. Divya has scored क्या full marks. C complements. Full marks को underline करके complements लिखिए. Now, she is a clever girl. She is a clever girl. Girl, yes, object. Underline the girl, object. And clever, clever is the complements. Okay. Now fourth, he cleans the bike every day. He cleans the bike every day. Bike, object, and every day complements. Fifth, the dress looks nice. The dress, object, and nice is complement. Sixth, she gave us her address. She gave us her address. Address, address, yes, object. Now seventh, he used the internet all afternoon. He used the internet all afternoon. Internet, object, and afternoon complement. Kab, afternoon complement. 8, it is me. It's me. Me, object. Now 9, see me at 4:30. Me, object, 4:30 complements. 10, we bought the children ice cream. We bought the children ice cream. Children, object, ice cream complements. क्या लाए? Ice cream. किसके लिए? To whom? Children. So that's why children is the object, ice cream is the complement. 11, he has grown very tall. He, object, very well is the complement. 12, the milk turned sour. Milk, object, sour, complement. 13, he remained silent throughout. He, object, throughout, complement. Number 14, I show them the way. I show them the way. Them, object, way, complement. 15, the program on channel 15 was very interesting. Program, object, and very interesting is complement. Now 16, I will phone him in a few minutes. Him, object, few minutes, complement. 17, will you send me the bill? Me, object, bill, the bill, complement. 18, the bag is Anil's. The bag, object, Anil's, complement. Number 19, he has just become a father. He, object, father, complement. Number 20, last one, I told his father the truth. I, his, This is object. I and his object, the truth complement. Okay, this exercise write in your notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.